Get into the 2020 Jeep Compass. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass gives you the latest safety technology, rugged capability, and upscale sophistication, all wrapped up in a compact, sporty SUV. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, fog lamps, satellite radio, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, alarm, steering wheel audio controls. Feel safe and secure when you explore your world in the Compass. Take a test drive today.